Biological classification. Question 21. Mycoplasmas cause the following disease in plants. Option 1, mosaic. Option 2, witch's broom. Option 3, chlorosis. And option 4, canker. The mycoplasma are organisms that completely lack a cell wall. These are the smallest living cells known and can survive without oxygen. Many mycoplasmas are pathogenic in animals and plants. Phytoplasma causes witch's broom in plants. It is an example of mycoplasma. And the answer is witch's broom. Question 22. Non-chlorophyllous organism that can trap the light energy and convert it into ATP is option 1, Methanobacterium. Option 2, Sulfolobus. Option 3, Halobacterium. Option 4, Thermoplasma. Halobacterium can trap the light energy and can convert it into ATP. And the answer is option 3, Halobacterium. Question 23. Pleuropneumonia in cattle is caused by option 1, Archaea. Option 2, Eubacteria. Option 3, Actinomycetes. Option 4, Mycoplasmas. Mycoplasma mycoides causes pleuropneumonia in cattle. And the answer is option 4, Mycoplasmas. Question 24. Mycoplasmas is option 1, spherical. Option 2, rod-shaped. Option 3, spirillum. And option 4, pleomorphic. Mycoplasmas do not have definite shape. They are pleomorphic. And the answer is option 4, pleomorphic. Question 25. Oxygenic photosynthetic moneron is option 1, Halobacterium. Option 2, Thermoplasma. Option 3, Anabaena. Option 4, Chlorobium. Cyanobacteria are unicellular. Example, Crucoccum. Colonial, example, Microcystis. Or filamentous, example, Spirulina, Nostoc, Anabaena. These are aquatic or terrestrial. These are most primitive organisms showing oxygenic photosynthesis. And the answer is option 3, Anabaena. Question 26. Match the following. List 1 have options such as urethritis in man, tetanus, heterocyst, L-glycerol. List 2 have options such as Archaebacteria, Cyanobacteria, Actinomycetes, Mycoplasma, Eubacterium. Mycoplasma genitalium causes urethritis in man. Tetanus is Eubacteria. Cyanobacteria filaments have specialized colorless cells meant for nitrogen fixation called heterocysts. Example, Nostoc and Anabaena. Archaebacteria cell membrane has L-glycerol in phospholipids, and the fatty acid chain is linked to the glycerol by ether bonding, and the fatty acid chain has branched isoprene units having 5C. This imparts high resistance to archins. And the answer is option 2. Question 27. Nostoc fixes both nitrogen and carbon dioxide. Reason: it has heterocyst. Cyanobacteria are unicellular, colonial, or filamentous. These are aquatic or terrestrial. Cyanobacteria filaments have specialized colorless cells meant for nitrogen fixation called heterocysts. Example, nostoc and Anabaena. And the answer is option 2. Both assertion and reason are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Question 28. Centroplasm of Cyanobacteria has option 1. Ribosomes, option 2. Gas vacuoles, option 3. Chromosomes, and option 4. RNA. Cyanobacteria protoplasm is divided into central colorless centroplasm with chromatin material and peripheral pigmented chromoplasm. And the answer is option 3, chromosome. Question 29. Cells with gelatinous sheath around them are seen in option 1, Eubacteria, option 2, Archaea, option 3, Cyanobacteria, and option 4, Euglenoids. Cyanobacteria filament or in trichomere colony, cell is covered by mucilaginous sheath. Hence, these are also called as myxomycetes. And the answer is option 3, Cyanobacteria. Question 30. These organisms are non-flagellated. Option 1, Archaea. Option 2, Eubacteria. Option 3, Euglenoids. Option 4, Cyanobacteria. In Cyanobacteria, flagella are absent. They do not reproduce sexually. And the answer is option 4, Cyanobacteria. Question 31. Harmogonia are option 1, fragments of filaments of filamentous bacteria. Option 2, fragments of Eubacteria. Option 3, cleaved protoplast of Mycoplasmas. Option 4, fragments of trichomes of Cyanobacteria. Harmogonia are fragments of trichomes of Cyanobacteria. And the answer is option 4. (32) Echinates are the reproducing structures of option 1, Cyanobacteria, option 2, Eubacteria, option 3, Mycoplasmas, option 4, Archaea. Cyanobacteria asexually reproduce by Harmogonia or thick-walled echinates. And the answer is option 1, Cyanobacteria. Question 33. These are branched filamentous monerans. Option 1, actinomycetes. Option 2, Eubacteria. Option 3, Cyanobacteria. And option 4, Archaea. Actinomycetes are filamentous monerans. Their filaments are branched. And the answer is option 1, actinomycetes. Question 34. Mycolic acid is the cell wall component of option 1, Eubacteria, option 2, gram-negative bacteria, option 3, Cyanobacteria, and option 4, actinomycetes. Cell wall of actinomycetes has mycolic acid, and it is a mycobacterium. And the answer is option 4, actinomycetes. 35. Match the following. List 1 have options such as Corynebacterium, Anabaena, Salmonella, Methanogen. List 2 have options such as Mycoplasma, Archaea, Cyanobacterium, Eubacterium, and Actinomycete. Corynebacterium diphtheria belongs to Actinomycetes group and it causes diphtheria. Anabaena belongs to Cyanobacteria group. Typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi, which is Eubacterium. Methanogens belongs to Archaebacteria. And the answer is option 2. Question 36. Assertion. Streptomyces is an actinomycete. Reason, it forms radiating colonies in cultures. Streptomyces belongs to Actinomycetes group. They form radiating colonies in cultures. So the answer is option 1. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question 37. Mycobacterium is option 1. Parasite, option 2. Saprophyte, option 3. Chemoautotroph, option 4. Photoautotroph. Mycobacterium tuberculosis causes tuberculosis. Mycobacterium leprae causes leprosy. They are actinomycetes. These are gram-positive aerobic bacteria. And the answer is option 1, parasite. Question 38. Boundaries of this kingdom are not well defined. Option 1, Monera. Option 2, Protista. Option 3, Plantae. Option 4, Animalia. All single-celled eukaryotes are placed under Protista, but the boundaries of this kingdom are not well defined. What may be a photosynthetic protistian to one biologist may be a plant to another. And the answer is option 2, Protista. Question 39. Protistans without histones are option 1, diatoms, option 2, euglenoids, option 3, protozoans, option 4, dinoflagellates. In Protista, chromosome has linear DNA associated with histone proteins. Histones are absent in dinoflagellates, which are mesokaryotes. And the answer is option 4, dinoflagellates. Question 40. Golden algae are option 1, chrysophytes, option 2, dinoflagellates, option 3, euglenoids, option 4, green algae. Chrysophytes includes diatoms and golden algae dismids. They are found in freshwater as well as in marine environments. And the answer is option 1, chrysophytes. Question time. Cell membrane with branched chain lipids is seen in option 1, Protista, option 2, Eubacteria, option 3, Cyanobacteria, and option 4, Archaeans. Write down your answers in the comment section given below. If you like our videos, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get regular updates.